Welcome to the tutorial for the River Cleaner extension, an add-on that will help you optimize your Amazon product listings. In this video, I will be demonstrating some of the features that this extension has to offer you, the seller. To start off, ensure that the River Cleaner settings are to your liking and that API keys have been entered. I have most checkboxes ticked for the sake of this video, but feel free to mix and match for what works best for you. By navigating to your Seller Central inventory page and clicking on Edit for a listing, we can see what common problems River Cleaner solves. One big problem with the Seller Central website is that in order to see what changes you make, you have to wait 15 minutes for the alterations to be processed. And this can be a major problem, especially if you're trying to see how your update will look on a mobile device. If we navigate to the Vital Info tab, we immediately see a new pop-up window. This shows what your product will look like on 3 different mobile views. This is useful to see, say, where the title will be cut off when viewed on a mobile device. Clicking the X in the upper right of this box closes it. Now that we're in the main part of the Vital Info tab, we can see that the product's name field has some extra bubbles floating around it. These are recommendations that River Cleaner is offering to optimize your listing. Above the product name is a gray box filled with a product name guide that you can follow. The other gray bubble shows how many characters you have used. Alongside that are 4 blue boxes and 1 green box. A general rule of thumb is that the more colorful the notification, the more urgent the change. Most of these boxes can be clicked to automatically commit the change easily. And if I were to put a naughty word in the title, River Cleaner is quick to let me know with a red box. Again, 1 click fixes this. Moving on to the Offer tab, we see 5 more blue items. A sourcing price field as well as an FBA, profit, margin, and sale price text box. The sourcing price field allows you to designate how much you paid for the product. This updates the boxes to the right of it to show you what profit margins you will be seeing with this product, taking into account FBA and shipping and handling. Down a couple fields, we have the blue text box that says expired. This is here just to let you know that your sale has ended. Starting a new sale has the same sourcing price, FBA, and profit fields shown from before. Our next tab is Images. River Cleaner will let you know if something can be improved with your images. Similar to the Vital Info tab, the Description tab has multiple bubbles with recommendations. Again, some of these are clickable, the others highlight the problem. Additionally, River Cleaner offers a built-in HTML editor to help make your descriptions here stand out. For more advanced users, the source code itself is available to view. And finally, the Keywords tab. You'll immediately see a blue pop-up box for your search terms. The search bar here is integrated with Amazon's very own search function to help complete your keyword search for you. Searching a keyword or phrase populates this box with keywords that your competitors are using for similar products. Note that you can also use the Amazon Standard Identification Number to automatically display search terms that listing has. And that just about covers it. I hope this tutorial helped to demonstrate some of the great features that River Cleaner has to offer.